Hello dear students, we are going to discuss last part of the chapter 2, equation reducible to linear form. So means equations which are given to us, they are not in linear form. We will use some steps to convert it in the linear form. In previous part you discussed case 1, case 2, case 3 about different form of linear equation. In this part we will deal with the equations, but that is not in simple form or in linear form. So we firstly reduce the equation into linear form, then we will apply the previous rules which we earlier discussed in solving the equations of linear form in exercise 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4. So let's start with some examples. You see some examples of linear equations are given here. They are looking like not in linear form. Expressions x plus 2 upon 3x plus 5 is equal to 2 by 3. This type of form means one side the expression is divided by another expression and right side a number is available. In the second example also one expression divided by another algebraic expression and the right side is containing number. Some word problem based, sentence based problem in which when you simplify it you also get such types in which left hand side numerator and denominator are algebraic expressions and right side numbers. So how we will solve such problems, let's try to discuss about that. Like first one, x plus 2 upon this equal to 2 by 3. So to solve such equation we just simply cross multiply, because here only two part, in left hand side one part, in right hand side one single part, both sides single part. Here that is a whole part, that is a whole. In left hand side also whole part, in right hand side whole part, means one side number, one side algebraic expressions divisions. So to simplify this we just multiply the denominator, cross multiply denominator to the numerator of this left hand side and by numerator of this to denominator this. So when you cross multiply you get a result and then further you solve it. In other method you just, what is the denominator, you check 3x plus 5, that is very typical. So we just multiply by 3x plus 5 both side. आप ऐसे भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. 3x plus 5 you when you multiply in both side, then in left hand side when you multiply, so you just multiply both side by denominator of this 3x plus 5. ये सेकंड मेथड है, आप इस ऐसे भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बट हम फर्स्ट ही मेथड यूज़ करेंगे. 3x plus 5 से आप मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए, इस साइड भी 3x plus 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए, फिर आप सिंप्लीफाई करिए, फिर आपको रिजल्ट जो आएगा वो लीनियर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट होगा. सो लेट्स ट्राई टू सॉल्व द one case out of these reducible equations into simpler form, linear form. So let's start with the example number 2. Example number 2x minus 3 upon 2x minus 5 is equal to 3 by 7. So when we are going to solve this equation, the steps which are used, you check here, x minus 3 upon 2x minus 5 is equal to 3 by 7. You multiply by 7 the numerator of this. So when you multiply this 7 into this and denominator of this, when you multiply numerator of this you get 3 into 2x minus 5. when you multiply you use bracket. x माइनस 3 के आगे पीछे आप ब्रैकेट जरूर यूज़ करिए क्योंकि आपको ब्रैकेट ओपन भी करना है. एंड 2x minus 5 is multiplied by 3, so here you also use bracket. When you open the bracket, in the next step you get 7x, 7 into minus 3 minus 21, 3 2 is 6x and minus 15. After that you get 7x minus 6x, transposing this smaller 6x in left hand side. You know about the steps. So this 6x is the smaller one, so you transpose in left hand side, and minus 21 in the right side. When you transpose this step, 7x minus 6x and minus 15 is available firstly, then minus 21 into plus 21. When you further simplify you get x is equal to 6. That is the solution of the equation. So this is the method of solving equation reducible to linear form. How we will reduce this into simpler form? Let's solve the same equation with second method. What is the second method? You just multiply by numerator and denominator by 2x minus numerator means both side of the equation by this. क्योंकि ये डिनोमिनेटर था, हमें इसको डिसअपियर करना है, तो हमने लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया और हमने राइट हैंड साइड में भी मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. सो 2x minus 5 with bracket. When you multiply this numerator is this part is cancelled by denominator, and in left hand side only you get x minus 3. In right hand side you open the bracket. When you open the bracket you get 3 by 7 into 2x, so 6 by 7x, and in right side one more number is minus 5. When you multiply you get minus 15 upon 7. When you get this one, you see that is equation of both side लीनियर इक्वेशन बोथ साइड वेरिएबल. तो ये तो आपको सिंपल, फिर वापस आप प्रीवियस एक्सरसाइज में पहुंच गए. अब चेक करिए 6 by 7 टाइम्स x इज ग्रेटर और x इज ग्रेटर, सो ऑफ कोर्स x इज ग्रेटर. सो ट्रांसपोज दिस 6 by 7x in left hand side, minus 3 in right hand side, and further you simplify, you get the answer. But I think the first one method which is solved here, shown here, that is very easy. So you use this method to solve the question. So one word problem is written here. The present age of Abhishek and Urj are in the ratio 3:4. 10 years from now, the ratio of their age will be 5:6. Find their present age. दोनों की present age को हमें find out करके बताना है. तो सिंपल स्टेप्स क्या यूज़ करेंगे? बहुत ईजी है. कैसे स्टेप्स यूज़ करेंगे? Present age of Abhishek and Uz are in the ratio 3:4. मीन्स लेट present age of Abhishek, अगर अभिषेक की हम एज सपोज कर लेते हैं 3x, तो उर्ज की एज क्या हो जाएगी 4x. हमने 3x एंड 4x सपोज क्यों किया? क्योंकि हमें एज नहीं पता है. तो 3 टाइम्स सम वेरिएबल हमने सपोज कर लिया, या 4 टाइम्स. और अगर आप इन दोनों का 3x अपॉन 4x का रेशियो लेंगे तो x कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 3/4 रेशियो आ रहा है, तो नथिंग चेंज. तो हमने एज अभिषेक की और उर्ज की 3x और 4x के टर्म्स में यहाँ सपोज कर ली. नाउ आफ्टर 10 years later the age of Abhishek is 3x plus 10 and age of Urj is 4x plus 10. So after 10 years you get age of Abhishek is what? 3x plus 10, and Abhishek age of Urj is 4x plus 10, and that ratio, the age ratio after 10 years, that is 5/6. That is 5/6 given. Now you check this one also in the form numerator algebraic expression, denominator algebraic expression, and right side number. You just cross multiply, you get the easy one, reduce this into linear form, and finally you get the answer. So let's try this question, and that question is solved here. I'm going to show you this one. You see here the present age of Abhishek and Urj with 3x and 4x respectively. We suppose that, so let present age of Abhishek is equal to 3x, present age of Urj is equal to 4x years. So now age of Abhishek after 10 years, 3x plus 10 year, age of Urj after 10 year, 4x plus 10 year. According to the question, what is क्वेश्चन में ये स्टेट कर रहा है कि आफ्टर 10 ईयर द रेशियो ऑफ देयर एज विल बी 5/6. सो दोनों की एज का रेशियो अगर हम लेंगे 3x plus 10 by 4x plus 10, then you get 5/6. That is the condition. So that ATQ means according to the question. So when you apply the condition you get the final result. Now you solve this. How will you solve? You just do the cross multiplication. So 6 into 3x plus 10 you get in left hand side is equal to 5 into 4x plus you get 10. So you use ब्रेकेट जरूर यूज़ करें, अदरवाइज मिस्टेक आपकी हो जाएगी. आप 6 को 3x में मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, 10 में छोड़ देंगे. सो नाउ यू मल्टीप्लाई, ओपन द ब्रेकेट, देन यू चेक विच वन वेरिएबल पार्ट इज मोर, दिस वन or this one. So I think this one is greater. So you transpose and simplify and you get the value of x. जैसे ही हमें x की वैल्यू मिलेगी then we put the value of x here. So we put the value of x here in the this part, so we get the present age of Abhishek. So at last you write down present age of Abhishek is equal to 3 into the value of x, that much year is the present age, and present age of Urj is that much. So this is the method of solving questions of this type. Now see the exercise 2.6. There are 7 questions and all the questions are based on the methods or steps or the part case which discuss here. The first one question is similar, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. I think you are now able to solve such questions. You just do the cross multiplication, but when you multiply here, you mind it here minus sign, so minus 4 in the bracket y plus 2. So during multiplication you take care of signs as well as bracket. So when you are going to cross multiply, you use bracket, then you get the better result, otherwise you may done some mistake. Now sixth question is also based on age here. Hari and Harry are the age ratio 5:7. 4 years from now the ratio of their age will be 3:4. Find their present ages. So 5 in 5x and 7x एज सपोज कर लीजिए. आफ्टर 4 ईयर्स 5x प्लस 4 एज हो जाएगी. सो आफ्टर that much, so you get 5x plus 4 year age of Hari and 7x plus 4 is the age of Harry, and their ratio is 3/4. Further you simplify and you get the answer. Now you see the last question, question number 7. These 6 and 7 question are also important question. So the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. You try to understand this. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8 means अगर हमारे पास कोई rational number है whose denominator and numerator are unknown, then there is a relationship given. What is the relationship? Denominator is greater than its numerator by 8 means let what be let, numerator or denominator? Let numerator is equal to what? X. तो अगर न्यूमरेटर x होगा तो डिनोमिनेटर क्या होगा? x प्लस 8. क्यों? क्योंकि ये दे रखा क्वेश्चन में द डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ अ रैशनल नंबर इज ग्रेटर देन इट्स डिनोमिनेटर. द डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ अ रैशनल नंबर इज ग्रेटर देन इट्स न्यूमरेटर बाय 8. सो वी गेट द रैशनल नंबर इफ द न्यूमरेटर इज इंक्रीज्ड बाय 17. ये तो आपने न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर फॉर्म किए. अब आप कंडीशन अप्लाई करिए. क्या कंडीशन है? अगर आप न्यूमरेटर में 17 ऐड कर दें एंड द डिनोमिनेटर इज डिक्रीज्ड बाय 1, डिनोमिनेटर में 1 डिक्रीज कर दें, द नंबर ऑब्टेन्ड इज 3/2. दैट गिव यू 3/2. सो व्हेन यू ऐड दिस हियर 17, यहाँ सब्ट्रैक्ट करना तो 8-7 हो जाएगा. नाउ यू अगेन गेट एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन अपॉन एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन इज इक्वल टू 3/2. फर्दर यू सॉल्व, यू गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ x. After getting the value of x, what's your rational number? Our rational number is what? A rational number is x upon x plus 8. So जैसे ही x की वैल्यू निकले यहाँ पे पुट करिए और हमें हमारा rational नंबर के फॉर्म में मिल जाएगा. So that is the exercise. So I think you solve your previous exercise as well as chapter. Now you start your exercise 2.6. Solve it. If you have any doubt, any problem, then you ask. Thank you.